My name is Neil Jones, and I'm with Perfect Fit Alterations, 102 Main Street, Burleson, Texas. And our phone number is area code 817-447-3522. Continuing to explore this sewing machine, we will now explore the end of the machine. There are several pieces on this end. The hand wheel or hand control at the top here is a control that allows you to turn the machine over by hand.